How's it going, YouTube? Back again. Just a massive thank you for all the support so far on all my videos. It is greatly appreciated. So I've got something a little different for you today. No audio, no headphones, no speakers, none of that. In here I've got the MSI GS65 i7 8th gen core, 16GB of RAMs and a 1070 Max-Q graphics card. Let's unbox it, take a little look. Heard some good things about this. Let's have a little look into it then, shall we? So in the first black box, get your power bank and the power bank cable for the plug. Maybe you're in Australia. Let's take a little look inside the MSI box then. Packaging is really crisp and clean. Come on. Nice case. Let's put that to one side. Quick start guide, notebook, you know the deal. And there it is. Jeez. So let's talk about the outside of the laptop first of all. So here you have my old MSI gaming laptop. They've kind of upgraded it for, like, you can see this nice gold trim, it's kind of matte finish. However, quite the fingerprint magnet. On the side of the laptop then, it is exactly 18 millimeters thick. So that is 1.8 centimeters, extremely slim. Good to look at it against an iPhone, kind of the point of which it comes up to. One of the exit cooling points, Ethernet cable, 2 of the 3.1 USB slot, headphones and microphone jack. Flipping it round, you have the third of the USB 3.1 port, the USB-C, the HDMI charging cable, and one of the vent port again. So here you can see the Stealth series keyboard, this nice gold trim on the mouse tracker, 8th gen of the i7 core processor, 8 hours of battery life, high resolution audio, HDMI, Cooler Boost Trinity, 144 Hz on the ISP level display, and then the keyboard itself is backlit to RGB of the Stealth series. Then up at the top you've got this lovely thin bezel here running along the side to give it that illusion of a bigger screen. On the top you have got the lovely webcam, so you are not going to be at the bottom of the webcam, kind of getting that upward shot of the nose, which is really good of MSI to keep it up at the top. Like I said, I do not get the beautiful chance to be able to open up this laptop, turn it on, and actually be able to get a full kind of idea of what it is about with the RGB lit backlit and the screen and the thin bezel. But you know, I got a pleasure to unbox it, have a look at it. The downsides immediately, just from looking at it, you can't really pick it up on the camera, but it is a major fingerprint magnet all around. And also it doesn't come with an SD card reader. I know that's not a massive problem, but for someone like me that's video editing on the go, I've kind of got a laptop, or wanted to get a laptop like this, so then when I can take it away to go to work, I can actually sit there and do editing. I know it doesn't cost much to go and get an external card reader, but however, I mean, it would be nice to kind of have it in there already, not have to go and worry about getting another one. So the MSI GS65 with the GTX 1070 Max-Q graphics card with an i7 8th gen core processor with 16GB of RAM will set you back at about £2,000, which I think is a lot of money, but you are paying for what you're getting apparently. I've watched a lot of reviews. I just wanted to show you an unboxing of this particular one so you can kind of have a little look and I can give my honest opinion. And I mean, for many laptops in this kind of category, it just looks so slick. I mean, it just outlooks an Apple Mac, and there's so many other laptops I've seen out there. I've got a Razer 15 on the way, so I'll have a little look at that and see whether it kind of even compares, and then from there I'll kind of make a decision on the two. So, you want to know about the performance. So operating system is at Windows 10 at 64-bit. Intel Core i7 processor, hex core 2.2 GHz to turbo boost at 4.1. 16GB of RAM with a graphics card of an NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1070 Max Q with 8GB. Storage is 256GB SSD. Screen size 15.6 inches. Screen type IPS. 144Hz display, LED backlighting, Bluetooth 5.0, USB Type-C ×1, USB 3.1 × 3, HDMI with mini display port, 3.5mm jack audio connection, no SD card reader, HD webcam, multi-touch trackpad, SteelSeries RGB backlit keyboard, Kensington lock, microphone. Just going off from what other YouTubers have said and other reviewers, they have claimed this to be MSI's best gaming laptop, and do you know what? I'd really love to get my hands deep dirty on this laptop. I would love to so badly. But yeah, it's just purely here for unboxing reasons. It's not for me to actually open this up and go and start it all up. It is not my laptop, unfortunately, so I'm not going to take that privilege away from someone. But I've had the pleasure of unboxing it and having a little look at it, and with the potential to even go and get it if I'm not a fan of the Razer 15 when it arrives. If you have any questions about the unboxing, then do let me know. I mean, this laptop has been ranked in probably about the top 3 for its category, along with a lot of other laptops. So it is worth taking a look at. Unfortunately, this laptop is not on display in many areas already, retailers around in the UK, so it's quite hard just to get a little hands-on with it. But you're just gonna have to watch quite a few YouTube reviews and kind of written reviews to kind of get the idea of it. And sorry I couldn't be the one to kind of give you that review this time, but this is the laptop. Any questions? Let me know in the comment section below. And as always, thank you so much for all your support. Keep it coming in. It really, really does help. Make sure you're smashing that like button. Make sure you're smashing that subscribe button. You know, trying to go places here, trying to get that tech in for you guys here, and trying to get some other bits and bobs done on this channel to keep you interested, to keep you going. And yeah, this channel's all about me just showing you stuff that I think is interesting. So there will be some random stuff coming up here and there. But yeah, today, this is the MSI GS65 gaming laptop. Pretty slick.